Off my Daddy Motors Lamford. Just like to show you our 202 2020 Corolla 1.8 hybrid Luna Sport. It's a bi-tone, black over pearl red. Electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking, privacy glass in the back, alloy wheels, LED headlights, front fogs. Bodywork in super condition. This car is taxed and tested. Low tax of 180 a year and tested until September this year. Very spacious boot. Reverse camera. So here in the back, we have ISOFIX seats, lower interior, loads of legroom, cup holders in the door cards, and electric windows in the back. So up front, we have automatic transmission, cup holders, centre armrest with pocket, touchscreen radio with reverse camera, dual climate control, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, Bluetooth, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, pre-collision alert, lane assist. And this car is covered kilometres at 57,000 with service history, low kilometres. So that's our 202 Corolla 1.8 hybrid Luna Sport. For more information and finance options, contact our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.